Did you ever wonder how to get that arching, expressive shape in the opening of the Chopin G minor Ballade? Hi, I'm Alan Fraser, and this is Piano Somatics, where you learn to move better in order to play better. And Piano Somatics has the answer to that question. We want to phrase at the piano, but we also want a rich sound, and therefore we may fall into the key. But the more we fall into the key to make that rich sound, the less phrased it is. Many people say, don't play a real forte for that opening. Play a mezzo forte or a conservative forte, and then we just pull back. Now we're afraid to play with the full grandeur of that opening because we don't want to bang, but then we're just stifled. So Piano Somatics has the key to this. Stand up. As in so many cases, when I do a quick stand-up motion, there's no sense of banging. There's a complete evocation of the resonance of the piano, the voice of the piano. When I'm standing up, it's very easy for me to do a little bit more the left hand, a little bit more the right hand. It's an orchestra. And then I walk, I stand up and walk. And then that turnaround. A glide, a shape, an expressive turn, an unexpected darkening of the emotion. All of these are possible when you stand and walk and shape and live the music, and you don't fight with the piano.